Hi, how are you? I'm Ling. Many couples think that there's no difference between an actual photographer and a pre-wedding photographer, and the photographer should be able to handle both assignments. So today I'm going to discuss about it. Actual photography and pre-wedding photography are two different skill sets. For the actual photographer, like an event photographer, what they need is experience and familiar with the flow of the events. Precision, anticipation, and the ability to tell a story is a key to the success. Not much direction is needed from the photographer because the event will unfold by itself, so I term them as passive photographer. On the other hand, a pre-wedding photographer cannot be passive, they have to be active because the photography session will not unfold by itself. The photographer needs to give a lot of directions to achieve the final results. So unless the photographer is cross-trained, if not he or she is not able to handle both assignments. That is the reason why I have two teams in my company, one handle actual photography and the other one handle pre-wedding photography. Usually, it's easier to cross-train a pre-wedding photographer and not the other way around. Nowadays, everyone is a photographer, but not every picture is a photograph. A picture shows something, a photo tells a story.
So we did our pre-photo shoot, the casual kind, and also the ones with the wedding dress. We actually enjoy during training and then even times where we are in the photo shoots. Really quite a good experience. Felt very different. It's not like, oh yeah, you have to do this pose and then you have to just act it out. It's not like an act. It's really like, to display how you are and to tell someone your story.
So if you wish to learn more about wedding preparation, please visit our online channels. There are online classes, workshops, Q&A, couple reviews, and others. The links are in the description below. Please learn before committing. See you next time. Cheers.